How to make money online in 3 minutes or less. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and welcome back to this brand new video series where I show you how to make money online in 3 minutes or less. So I know that you guys are super busy, so I'm going to keep it short and simple. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications and leave me a comment if you have any questions and I'm gonna make sure to answer it. And also if you want me to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make money starting from scratch, click the first link in the description of this video, go to artofmarketingelite.com, join my coaching club and I will get you started. And right now let me share my screen and let's jump into the content of this video, how to make money in 3 minutes or less. Okay, so the website I wanted to show you is this one right here, appen.com, appen.com. Now this is a website where companies go to looking for people just like you to help them to evaluate their websites, their businesses, etc. So essentially going to be doing a little bit of testing, like testing websites, testing apps, super simple stuff. So in most cases, these companies are doing this automatically with software, but in some cases they will need an actual person to do it. Okay, so you will be this person and you will make an average of $14 to $17 per hour doing it. Okay, so go to appen.com. As you can see, we're gonna click on contact us. This will bring up this pop-up. We will click on flexible jobs and this will open up this page. As you can see, you have a bunch of different jobs. This is a big company, so you can become a rater. They got some language jobs, micro tasks and corporate jobs. So what you're going to be doing and what I recommend you do is focus on the raters, jobs and micro tasks. Okay, so if you're going to bring up this page, as you can see, the top flexible jobs Appen is hiring for in 2019 is, first of all, internet analyst, then social media evaluator, and then as you can see, micro tasks. And you can also be a transcriber and a web search evaluator, which means that, you know, all 5 of these jobs don't require any skill, don't require any experience. You can start working from home, just making money online using your laptop or your computer, and in some cases even your smartphone. Okay, so these are the top 5 jobs, and what I wanted to show you is actually the salaries. Okay, so if you're gonna go to Indeed.com and if you're gonna look up Appen, as you can see, they have a bunch of salaries, but what you want to be doing is you're going to be a data collector. As you can see, $30 per hour for a data collector. Also, social media specialist, $14 per hour, and also a data analyst, $82,000 per year. That's if you want to do this full time. But as you can see, you know, social media specialist, which essentially is, you know, you're taking care of social media, which you already know how to do, $14 per hour. You can also go to Glassdoor.com, look up salaries, and as you can see, you got social media evaluator, $14 per hour. Social media evaluator right here is 14 as well. We got web search evaluator, $14 per hour as well. Another web search evaluator, hourly $11 per hour. Search engine evaluator, $15 per hour. So anywhere from $11 to $17 per hour. And this is easy money. Again, you don't need any skills whatsoever to do this. Okay, so once you're gonna be here and you're gonna click on one of these 4 bars, this will bring up this page. You're gonna have to create an account, then you're gonna have to submit this form, and that's it. Just wait for an email back. These guys will send all the information to you and you can start making money. It's super easy. And again, the super cool thing about it is that you don't need any experience, you don't need any skills. You can do this from anywhere in the world and you are making money online, working from home and not really doing much work at all. So guys, this is my 3-minute money making strategy for you today. This was part 2. Again, if you want me to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make money online, click the first link in the description of this video, go to artofmarketingelite.com and please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications and leave me a comment if you have any questions or if you just want to say hi, and I will be seeing you in the next video. And by the way, check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. I'm always recording videos about making money online, working from home, online jobs, all of that good stuff. See you in the next video. Ciao.